I'm highly delighted to be here today on behalf of myself and the government and people of Bauchi State. Rivers is the next political dispensation for any politician who wants visibility and who wants to associate with capacity in Nigeria. My brother Wike is the only person that can get me out of Bauchi today. I respect him so much. He's a friend and a compatriot, and he's a good leader. I said it last year here when I came to commission or to plug off a bridge, that Wike is the face of leadership in governance at the subnational level. Irrespective of his very nature, which is natural for those who are hyperactive in terms of performance, in terms of zero tolerance on corruption, I believe he deserves all the accolade and the praises for being one of the best of our times, who has done so much to make sure he leaves behind legacies and landmarks. I'm not flattering him when I said I have not seen a governor commissioning projects even at the twilight of his administration. I remember one in the north, late Eradua, and I told him he's the second person. At the time, some governors that are going are preparing their exit. This gentleman is still working. It is so amazing that a road of this nature, with a lot of engineering challenges, could be done in 6 months or 3 months. Money alone cannot do this, but commitment. That is for his performance. In terms of politics, we have very little difference, but he has always scored above me. He wanted a southern president, he got one. I wanted a northern president, I didn't get. So he has done very well. At the state level, I know the challenges I faced, but he faced more challenges. And I wonder how he delivered 100%. State Assembly 32 over 32. Senators 3 over 3. Governor 1 over 1. This is very amazing at this time when the politics is awash with a lot of mischief and chickenery. And yet he delivered. And not only that, in between the elections, he craved for a southern president, and he delivered him. And he turned around and delivered 100% at the state level. I think people should really acknowledge this capacity. It is not ordinary. It's not just about money. There is a hand of God in it. I told you, Governor Wike, that you should brace up for leadership in Nigeria. You should do your best to make sure you swallow some of the inconveniences, because they are part of the growth. You are part of the milling of a leader. I have seen in you a leader that can deliver on his words. Promise, delivered. And of course, some of the impossibles, you do them. Nigeria needs this kind of hand to deliver. We have so many challenges. So many problems and challenges across the length and breadth of the country. We need compatriots. We need statesmen who will live above board, who will bring changes that will have good impact on our lives. And these are the kind of impact they are making. Building 12 bridges within your tenure, more bridges than Lagos. And you are not only doing for the cosmopolitan city of Rivers, even some local governments like this one, we are building township roads. The economic benefits derivable from these initiatives can better be imagined. I praise you, and I really crave and cherish our friendship and relationship. I have a lot to copy from you, and I think other leaders have a lot to copy from you. I congratulate you for having your successor. I believe he has your training and your pedigree and your foresight. And I congratulate the people of Rivers State for identifying with you and making sure they give you the latitude and the leverage to bring the person that will really continue from where you are leaving off. Continuity and dynamism is what is required. And you have taken the odds to make sure you deliver. Well done, my brother.